Hello and welcome to Cooking with Nico. I am your host, Nico. This is the second episode. We're going to learn how to make pizza. But first, I want to show you a book, Cooking Basics for Dummies. It's a good book to have in your library for any occasion of cooking. So let's get started. I'm going to show you everything we need. We're going to need some warm water, about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to need oil, all-purpose flour, sugar, rubber spatula, cheese, pizza sauce, and then any ingredients that you like on your pizza. So let's get started. Okay, so here we are. We have a bowl here. Have the hot water. Put that in there. We're gonna get the yeast. We're gonna put that in there. We're gonna get our sugar. And we're gonna get 1 teaspoon. Just like that. Mix it in there a little bit. I want to activate that yeast. Then we'll get our flour. Now we're going to need about 2 to 3 cups. So we got 1 cup there. And we're going to start with 1.5 cups. We're going to mix that up. And then if it's too watery, we're going to add just a little bit more. We don't want to do too much, or we don't want to do too little. I forgot the oil. Okay, and now we're going to add just a little bit of oil. Nice shape there, and it's not sticky. We're going to put flour onto your clean surface, like so. We're going to put it right on there. We're going to just knead it a little bit for about 2 minutes. If you need to, you can always add more flour if it's getting too sticky. Put flour on your hands as well. So I'm going to need to do that. We're going to put it in our bowl, and that's going to sit for about 45 minutes. It's going to rise. We're going to put plastic wrap over it, and then we're going to come back in 40 minutes. Alright, so here we have our dough that has risen, and we have flour on our board. We'll come back to this in just a second. Right here we have our veggies that we put. We put a little oil on this pan, and we're just going to saute them. I have mushrooms, but you can do whatever ingredients you like. Just make sure you saute them so it's extra flavor. And we also put the oven to 400 degrees. That would be what that beeping is for, letting me know it's preheated. But here we have our dough. It's going to be a little sticky when it comes out. If that's the case, just add a little more flour. I'll play with it a little more here. A little easier. They're looking pretty nice here. Put some salt, some pepper, And we'll turn down the heat just so it cooks. Okay, once you've worked your pizza for a while, you're going to want to put it on the pan and spread it all out. Like so. If you get any holes anywhere, just pinch them closed. If you need to, you can just move in the dough. Because the crust here is sometimes a little thick, so you just want to move it down. Alright, now that we got that, we're going to put our sauce. You can do however much you like. Just going to put the sauce on there. I'm going to get close to the edge. Like so. I like a little extra sauce, so we're going to add a little extra. Okay, after that, we're going to add our cheese. You can do any cheese you like. This here is a Munster cheese with pepper jack. I shredded this. So like so, you can add as much cheese as you like. Do extra cheese, light cheese. You can slice your cheese. Just put it on there like so. Okay, and then we're going to grab our pepperonis. We're going to lay them out. Again, close to the edge with that sauce. Best way to do it is have a stack and push with your thumb. You'll be able to get it nice and easy. Like so. Now we'll get our mushrooms. Put them on there. And to give the pizza a little more flavor, we're going to do some salt. Sprinkle that on there. Like so, we're going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. We'll come back to look at it. And if it's not ready, we'll do another 5 minutes. Your pizza is done once it's nice and golden brown like that. And that is how you make a pizza. Alright, that concludes our episode of how to make a pizza. Thank you for watching. If you want to leave a comment in the section below, please do. Let me know what you want to see next. And have a good day.